Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to add text behind the objects in Davinci Resolve. Now to begin, go over and click on Effects, then click on Titles and drag a basic title into Video Layer 2. Click on your text, then go and make whatever changes you want, such as font size and position. Now duplicate your video clip by holding Alt and clicking and dragging to Video Layer 3. With the top clip selected, head over and click on Fusion, then hold Ctrl and push space, and this will bring up your select tool. Now type in the select tool magic mask, then click add. If you go over to your preview window, you will see that your cursor has been turned into a dropper. Click and drag a line in the subject that you want Davinci to magic mask, and you will see it as isolated your subject on a single frame. Now for Davinci to process the entire video, go over and click this double arrow button, and you will see a small red line start making its way to the right. This step may take a while, so you have to wait. But once complete, if you head back over to edit, you will notice Davinci has put your text behind your object. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.